Way out. Off trail. The telepathic war. Mystery in space. A new bizarre hero is born. Read The Origin of Ultra, the multi-alien. Ooh. You'll be drawn to his magnetic force and dazzled by his lightning powers. See him fly like a bird. He's shooting a gun like a bird. Come on. Thrill to Ultra's super strength. He's able to squeeze a trigger. Come on. Magnetic force, lightning. He's shooting guns. This is not an exhibit of his powers, but it's a mystery in space. Or an envelope. Anyway, what's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Ooh, is there more comics inside? Alright. There are more comics inside. How to be cheap. Huh, pretty cool. Awesome! Hi, Josh! Well, hey. How you doing? Good, I hope. Yeah, it's been a little rough. You didn't ask for it. You probably didn't want it. But you got it anyways! Here's your new pig. Found this pig bank. Well, Mansfield had a sidewalk sale downtown in Massachusetts. They were giving them away for free. So I spared all expense and got you one. Good luck setting up next year's pig convention, the PEZ Informational Gathering in Cincinnati, Ohio, March 3rd through 7th. Be sure to mark your calendar. If I get a chance to visit Cincinnati, I'll definitely meet you there. It sounds like a great time, and I'd like to buy you a beer, or 3 at the bar. Whoa, 1 at a time, man. No flights for me. Your pal, your ace, from outer space, and your PEZ pal. Stay strong. It's hard to in these times. But it's little things like this from Indra Rel. This little piggy. Wait a minute, there's something inside. What could be inside? That's how you open it, right? Yeah. Touche. So until next time.